Nurmagomedov. From Dagestan, Russia, HABIB Nurmagomedov opened up his professional career 22-0. And one of his most impressive performances in the octagon was back at UFC 160 when he defeated Abel Trujillo, recording, which was at that time a UFC record, 21 takedowns.
This guy's an armbar and a leg lock specialist. In every fight that you see him in the octagon, he looks to secure a limb and finish with a submission.
The tail of the tape for this lightweight collision. Both of our fighters are 27. Nurmagomedov is 1 inch taller. McGregor will have a 4-inch reach advantage. And with the official introductions, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Fighting out of the corner. This man is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, HABIB Nurmagomedov. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. A mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 20 wins, 3 losses. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Dublin, Ireland, the notorious KONOR McGREGOR! And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Mario Yamasaki.
Mario Yamasaki, our referee for this lightweight bout. Here tonight, inside Madison Square Garden in New York City. Man, he connects with the right and the left.
Good defense there.
Oh, he's rocked here early.
Beautiful body shot there, too.
Good combinations.
Oh, what an exchange.
And he misses. Nice jab by McGregor.
Look at that, right to the temple.
Another big shot to the head by Nurmagomedov. Good defense, nice block. Joe, he continues to defend. Big left hand.
Timing with the left hand.
Combination.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, that's a big left. Under 3 on the clock, round 1. Joe, he's looking for the one-punch knockout here.
Good punch.
Standing and trading. Exactly what we had hoped for.
Conor McGregor with some nasty body shots.
Absolutely, Joe. Punishing shots to the body.
He went for an elbow.
And he pulls away.
Tags him.
Good kick by Nurmagomedov. Flying knee.
For the knee. Oh, nice.
That was a vicious knee that he just blocked.
Jumping knee.
Oh, man.
He got nailed in the body. He is in big trouble here. Body kick, look at that. Misses a huge hook to the head. Vicious shot to the body. Oh, big knee.
Unbelievable.
Hit him with the right hand.
30 seconds.
On the clock. Oh, big left.
Blocked. And that'll be the end of round number 1.
Let's take a look at some of the action in that round here. Here's a powerful knee that lands and causes the knockdown. Here it is from another angle. And let's see if we can get a better look at that from another angle.
Breathe for me. Let's slow that heart rate down. Breathe. Relax. Okay, listen.
Brittany. Round 2.
Now, starting off this round, you've got to think that the barrage that he endured in that last round is still affecting him. He's going to want to start this round off and move and avoid taking any damage.
And he connects here.
Oh, he tagged him. Big punch from the top. He's out, he's out, he's out. Unbelievable, look at this. Huge right hand shot that got him the victory.
Time now for our fight replay.
And let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly in big, big trouble. Let's take a look at it from another angle here. This is the one that causes the knockdown and the subsequent follow-up strikes for the knockout. Great angle here. Boom! Right on the money.
Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki has called a stop to this contest at 46 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout, HABIB the Eagle Nurmagomedov.
HABIB the Eagle Nurmagomedov, winner by knockout.